Alright, so today, right now, currently, it is Christmas Eve and it's raining. I'm gonna go borrow one of my lenses real quick. Wow. I live in California, this doesn't usually happen the raining time. But yeah, I'm gonna go grab one of the lenses. I'm gonna test it. I borrowed it from my friends. Alright, this is the first time I'm driving this Tesla in rain. Or actually the second time. The first time is actually the day I'm test driving it. But it is so strange right now. Auto wiper should be on, but it's not working right now. Alright, I just got this lens right now. I'm actually currently recording on it. To be quite honest, wow, this is better than what I thought it would be. Oh my goodness. Right now I'm on 24. This is what vlog looks like. Now I'm gonna zoom in. Okay, now I zoom in. I'm gonna go now because I need to go. I got something else to do. Alright, let me cut real quick. So guys, so tomorrow I am going to go to, so it's like a national park near the Las Vegas area. So I'm gonna drive there. Tomorrow I'm gonna drive back at the same day and I'm gonna take this lens and this camera with me, film something. You know, you're gonna at least go somewhere because it's Christmas break. And yeah, that's what I'm planning to do. The national park is called Joshua National Park. If you guys ever, Joshua Tree National Park, if you guys ever heard of it. So tomorrow I'm gonna go there. I'm gonna wake up pretty early tomorrow. I'm gonna drive the Tesla. That's also the first road trip I ever done in my Tesla. So that could be interesting. Just wake up. I'm so tired. How do I wake up that long? And we're leaving today. Alright, here we're just arrived and it is a little different than what I thought. What I'm trying to do is kind of the same thing as I did in Las Vegas. I'm gonna do a few drone shots, a few B-roll, and that's pretty much it. If then anything happens that's fun, I think I'll just film it. But now, enjoy the shot. Well, this HDR looks incredible. This sky looks fake. What the heck? Oh, this is 2.5. Wow, this is... And I'm vlogging on an iPhone right now. How this look? There's like a huge difference between this camera. Because, I don't know, right now I'm looking at it, I feel like iPhone looks better. I'm kinda hungry. Look at just how good this HDR working right now. Wow, that's cool. Look at the cloud. It looks unreal. Alright, so right now we're gonna go to a supercharger and yeah, fill it up again. Then probably just going home. It's another 200 miles drive back. And that's it. Alright, so apparently we are here at another supercharger, which the second one we actually did, oh my god, we actually did not expect that. But yeah, we're here, I guess. I think I need to move the car because I thought this one is not in use, but it's actually in use already, so I have to switch to that one. Done. I stay a little bit longer because I don't have a fast charging thing at home. I just have a regular outlet. I never know how to put this thing back. Yeah, how is supposed to put it in? Or it's the opposite. Alright, I can't tell, but I think it's in there. Alright, so we're ready to go now. And this time is all the way make it back home. I ordered a delivery food and they're gonna drop the food in the front door. So as soon as I can get home, everything will be fine. Another 73 miles, which is 1 hour and 12 minutes. Cool, let's go. I just got back. Sorry about that. I forgot to film. Yeah, so that was the trip. To be quite honest, is it good? I feel like it's just too much driving. Except that, I think everything was decent. I'll say. Just the driving. Wow, I'm driving for DoorDash every single day for like 8 hours. I'm not even kidding. Like this is just this 2-hour continuous drive. It's way more hard than the DoorDash one, because DoorDash one you do get off the car, you do go get over there, do walk around and stuff. But yeah, this one you just sit, and it's the most exhausting type of sitting. So yeah, I'm gonna have my meal now. So see you guys in the next video. Peace.